Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to make this 5 minutes crochet leaf. It will be perfect to decorate your any knit or crochet project. For this leaf I'm using 3.5 mm crochet hook and medium worsted weight yarn. So we start with chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now into the second chain from hook, make 1 single crochet. Into the next chain, 1 half double crochet. Into the next chain, 1 double crochet. Into the next chain, 1 double crochet. Into the next chain, 2 double crochet. And 1 more. Perfect. Now into the next chain, treble crochet, yarn over hook twice, yarn over pull through 2, yarn over pull through 2, and yarn over pull through 2. Now into the next chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Now into the next chain, 1 double crochet, again into the next chain, 1 double crochet, into the next chain, 1 half double crochet, then 1 single crochet into the next chain, and into the last chain make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 more single crochet into the same chain. Now on the other side, on the opposite side, we will repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, so where we did half double crochet, make 1 half double crochet into the same chain. Now into the next chain, 1 double crochet, into the next chain, again 1 double crochet, into the chain where we did 2 double crochet, make again 2 double crochet, then 1 treble crochet, yarn over hook twice, now again into the next chain, 2 double crochet, into the next chain 1 double crochet, into the next chain 1 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, and into the first chain here make a single crochet and join in first single crochet with slip stitch. So that's what we have. Round number 2, chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same chain as joining, into the same stitch, sorry, and then 1 single crochet in next 13 stitches until you reach the chain 1. Next stitch, it's a chain 1 of the previous round, make 1 single crochet also here, then make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in next 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now join with slip stitch in first single crochet. Perfect. So you may stop at this point if you like. One more round. In my case, chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch as joining, then chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1 and slip stitch. And that's what we are going to repeat around. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, that's the beautiful edge that we got. Please go on till the end. Now cut the yarn and let's join. Here underneath, let's use yarn needle. Underneath both loops, and now into the center of the last slip stitch in this way. That's it, guys. Now weave in all ends let's cut, and this one as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me today. I hope you really enjoyed it and it was easy for you. Please find the written instruction on my blog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye for now.